What is up, everyone? My voice is gone, but we still make do. We're going to do a trade recap on the trade that we took, and it's nice to, say that you probably noticed that my channel has a lot less volume as far as videos go. I mean, really, it's not lack of opportunities, just being more selective and just choosing the days that I trade. In general, I've been trading a little bit less. I'm looking at the markets every day, nevertheless, but I might not be logging on for the session. I'll maybe log in a little bit later. But this week again caught a banger. Last week secured 4 hours just off of one trade and just moved on. Right now we saw this great trade on gold. Really, I planned on this trade right before the day really even started. I mean, I could have took profit here. I don't know why I didn't think of that. But here's your recap. So if you do find this educational, make sure to just subscribe and join the Discord because you get all of my trades in advance for free. And you can get on free calls with me. So daily time frame on gold is clearly bullish. I mean, we've seen this extension, right? You have a daily break of structure here. I'll even mark it out. So you have this daily break of structure, right? And then what happens is on the 4 hour, we have just normal extensions and we have this price extension, retrace. We have this very nice steep liquidity pull, right? So that to me is like, okay, price doesn't necessarily have to come back down because we are pricing in equilibrium and stuff. So at that point, I'm like, hourly's bullish. Hourly wasn't. 4 hours bullish. Now we said daily's bullish, so I'm just scaling down to the hourly to see what's up. And the session starts at 8 o'clock. So that means that I'm thinking, okay, what happened during London? We had a very nice move. Happening during Asia right here. And then London just continues to go up. And for me, I know that the hourly is not bullish just yet. We are still under bear structure. So we may very well reverse. However, it's very unlikely considering the 4-hour candle that we made here, right? But as for extra confirmation, you guys know the rules. We need a 15-minute break of structure to enter a trade, right? That's simple. So what does that mean for us? We wait for this 15-minute break, this one, not the other one, but this one. So we get a 15-minute break right before market open right here, okay? So I'm already looking for trades, but we get a 15-minute break of structure before I can find anything. At which point I'm like, okay, let's still wait. Let's get the 15-minute break of structure, and then we find the trade. So what happens? We get the 15-minute break of structure at 45, at 8:45, I believe. No, 8:30, right? And then that's when we start to scour for entries. So you can tell that what happens? Price comes in, fills every fair value gap available, expands. Every fair value gap available, expands. Every fair value gap available, expands. At this point, it's 8:45, starting here. What happens? Price breaks structure to the downside, which when I'm like, okay, this is the last filled fair value gap right here. This is the last low before it. I can put stops here and price coming back. We just broke 15-minute structure. We're good to go off the retrace. So 5-minute structure, scale down just to be sure that our entry is safe. 5-minute structure also bullish, retraced into this fair value gap, at which point we decided to enter. That's simple. 1-minute execution, but really it was a very simple trade that was sent up to the Discord. And we noticed that we also have a 15-minute liquidity sweep, right? Because right here, you guys can tell from these lows, this was the 15-minute low that was made in pre-market. We swept this liquidity and then we came back up and pretty much you can see this nice impulsive candle. So then simple extension, really nothing complicated, easygoing day, nothing that hard. And we've secured a good 4.5 hour off of this banger week. To be honest, I could have pulled longer, but it doesn't matter. Either ways, a good trade's a good trade. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys found this educational. And if you guys want me to change stuff up or add stuff, just comment now.